Hack the Handmaid's Tale. Margaret Atwood complete explanation exam ready. 1. Introduction. The Handmaid's Tale, 1985, is a dystopian novel by Margaret Atwood. It presents a frightening vision of a totalitarian theocratic state called Gilead, which has replaced the United States after environmental disasters and declining birth rates. The novel is narrated by Offred, a woman forced to become a handmaid, whose sole purpose is to bear children for elite families. Atwood famously stated that nothing in the novel is purely imaginary. All forms of oppression shown have existed somewhere in history. Historical and social background: falling fertility rates due to pollution and disease, rise of religious extremism, political instability and loss of democratic rights, patriarchal control over women's bodies. The novel reflects fears of authoritarianism, misuse of religion, and loss of individual freedom. Plot overview summary. After a coup, the Republic of Gilead takes control. Women lose their jobs, their money, their rights. Society is strictly divided into classes. Fertile women are turned into handmaids, forced to undergo a ritualized sexual act called the ceremony to produce children for the ruling class. Offred lives in the house of the commander and his wife Serena Joy. She secretly resists through memories, storytelling, and forbidden relationships. Eventually, she is taken away by men claiming to be the resistance group Mayday, but her fate remains uncertain. Number 4. Major characters. Offred, narrator and protagonist, intelligent, observant, inwardly rebellious, represents the silenced yet resisting woman. The commander, high-ranking official, hypocritical, enforces rules but secretly breaks them. Symbol of male privilege. Serena Joy, commander's wife, bitter and resentful, victim and enforcer of patriarchy. Moira, Offred's friend, bold rebel figure, symbol of resistance and lost hope. Nick, the commander's driver, ambiguous figure, lover, spy, or rescuer. Number 5. Major themes. Oppression of women. Women are reduced to their biological roles. Their identities are erased. Control of the body. The state controls sexuality, reproduction, appearance. My body is no longer mine. Misuse of religion. Biblical texts are selectively used to justify cruelty and inequality. Power and surveillance. Constant monitoring keeps citizens obedient. Identity and memory. Offred preserves her identity through memory and storytelling. Resistance. Resistance exists, even in silence, language, and desire. Number 6. Symbols, symbol meaning. Red dress, fertility, sexual control. White wings, isolation, ignorance. Names: Offred, loss of identity. Ceremony, institutionalized rape. Eyes, surveillance, flowers, reproduction, control. Number 7. Narrative technique. First-person narration, fragmented, nonlinear structure, reflects trauma and repression, emphasizes subjectivity of truth. 8. Ending and historical notes. The novel ends ambiguously. The historical notes reveal that Gilead eventually fell, and that Offred's story was reconstructed from recordings. Irony: even in the future, women's voices are treated academically, not emotionally. Number 9. Feminist and political significance. Landmark feminist dystopia warns against loss of rights, shows how freedom disappears gradually, relevant to debates on reproductive rights, gender inequality, religious extremism. 10. Style and language. Simple yet poetic prose, symbolic imagery, irony and understatement, blends realism with dystopia. 11. Conclusion. Perfect exam paragraph. The Handmaid's Tale is a powerful warning against the dangers of authoritarianism, patriarchal control, and religious extremism. Through Offred's voice, Margaret Atwood exposes how easily human rights, especially women's rights, can be stripped away. The novel urges readers to remain vigilant, reminding us that freedom must be constantly defended.